Tuwing matatapos ang taon ay inihahanda natin bilang mga teachers ang ating IPCRF form at dito ay of course kinukolekta natin ang ating mga MOBs para ilagay natin na mag-justify sa rating na matatanggap natin mula sa ating school heads. At alam niyo ba guys na meron na po tayong automated IPCRF form na konektado na sa RPMS tool. Ang gagawin niyo lamang po ay enter ang inyong mga rating at automatically pupunta na ito sa inyong RPMS. So, alam ko na excited kayo na matutunan ito para matulungan kayo na sa mas simple at mas pinadaling paraan ng paghahanda ng inyong IPCRF. So, panoorin niyo po ang video and I hope na matuto kayo from my tutorial. Okay. So, start natin. Kapag na-download na natin yung form, ito yung lalabas, guys. So, lalabas dito yung IPCRF Rating Encoding Form for Teacher 1 to 3, SPAT 1 to 4, and Proficient Teacher. This is the Part 1, Individual Performance Commitment and Review Form. So, may nakalagay pong instruction dito. Part 1 shall be accomplished by the rater during the Phase 3. Performance review and evaluation of the RPMS cycle. Fill in empty cells, the white with needed information about the teacher, school, and division. Then, the COT rating. Encode the COT rating per observation period by doing the following steps. 1. Select the subject for COT. So, mamaya makikita natin kung paano mangyayari yan. Input the COT rating per objective. And 3. Lock COT once finish. So, dito, pag natapos mo na yung COT, ilalock mo siya para makaproceed ka sa next na COT. The QAT rating, once all available COT ratings are inputted, encode your rating for efficiency and timeliness. So, kayo nang maglalagay doon sa inyong efficiency and timeliness. Note, this form automatically transmutes the COT rating to its corresponding in the RPMS 5-point scale. So, automatic na siya. When COT and QAT ratings are encoded, click Finalize Part 1. Give the file copy to the teacher concerned. The teacher shall accomplish Parts 2 and 4. So, yung Part 2 at 4, bahala na yung teacher na mag-answer. So, dito guys, nilagay na natin yung mga needed information. So, nandyan na yung name of employee, the position, the employee number, the rater, which is the principal or the master teacher. And then yung rating period, guys, dapat nag-start yan ng February 1 onwards. And then you also have the region, the division, and the likes. All information kailangan yung i-fill out. Kasi pag hindi nyo yan nilagay, i-require nyo din lang yan afterwards na kailangan yung fill upan kasi hahanapin nyo yan at hindi kayo makapag-proceed sa next step. So, for example here, ang pinili nating subject, kasi merong drop-down menu dyan, pipili ka ngayon kung anong subject yung ipapa-observe mo. Say, for example, ako, English. So, i-click mo yung English and then mag-proceed ka na sa rating. Tingnan mo ngayon yung objective 1, 2, 3, doon sa mga KRA mo. KRA 1, KRA 2, and KRA 3, item number 7. Or COT indicator number. So, for instance, nilagyan ko na ng mga 7 lahat ng aking rating. For my COT1, lalabas ngayon automatically kung kailan ako na-observe. For example, July 1, 2019. So, ngayon, kapag natapos nyo nang na-fill out, ilalock nyo po ito at magre-require siya ngayon ng the rater must enter a password, minimum of 6 character, with which to lock this file. So, kailangan niya ng 6 character na password para hindi na siya mabuksan at malock na siya. Certain action will henceforth require you to enter the password you import here to proceed. So, hahanapin niya yung password. So, kapag nakaset na yung rater ng password, i-go lang niya guys para makaproceed naman siya doon sa COT number 2, which will be, of course, set again kung kailan na naman gaganapin yung COT number 2. And as you can see, lumalabas na dito yung mga score. Sabi ko kanina, yung quality at timeliness, yung teacher na ang maglalagay. So, yan guys, ilalagay na ngayon kung sino yung approving authority. Nandyan na rin yung mga kung paano yung format. And then also, when COT QAT ratings are finalized, give the file copy to the teacher. The teacher shall accomplish now parts 2 and 4. So, nandito na yung part 2 or the core behavioral competencies. So, ngayon, i-click na lang niya dito yung mga kailangan niyang i-click para nang sa gayon yung core behavioral competencies niya ay malaman din kung ano yung mga assessment ng teacher. Then, afterwards, click Finalize Part 2 to save your data. You can now proceed to the preparation of the Part 4, the development plan, based on the results of Part 1 and Part 2. So, yan guys. And then afterwards yan, nandyan na yung encoding. Sabi ko nga automatic na yung COT mo na lalabas na dito. Nandito na yung KRAs. From encoding, lalabas na ngayon guys dito sa part na ito. At hindi ka na mahihirapan kasi automatic na yung kanyang computation. But of course, you have to fill out the necessary data that is required in your IPCRF. So, ito yung mas pinasimple at mas pinadaling pag-prepare ng ating mga IPCRF nang sa gayon hindi na mahirapan ang mga teachers sa pag-prepare ng paper na ito. And then, nandyan na rin yung part 2. Gaya nga kanina, yung clinic mo doon, magde-direct na rin siya dyan. And then, yung part 3. Which is the individual performance commitment summary sheet. So, kapag na-answeran mo na yan, guys, lalabas na lahat yan dito. And then also the part 4, the development plans, or kung ano na yung mga kailangan mo in terms of your strengths and your core behavioral competencies. And of course, kailangan mong i-finalize din ang part 4. Tapos, kapag okay na, ipiprint mo na lang and i-click mo na lang ito, diretso na ang piprint ng mga materials. So, ayan guys, I hope na nasundan nyo ang ating tutorial dito sa pag-prepare ng mas pinadaling IPCRF ng mga teacher at hindi na tayo mahihirapan pa sa paghahanda or pagko-compute ng ating mga rating. In this form, it is made easier and it's more accessible to everybody. So, for the details, nakikita nyo naman doon sa ating previous slides kung saan nyo mada-download yung mga forms. So, that's it for today, guys. I hope you have learned something new from my simple tutorial. So, God bless and Remember, everybody is a learner every day. Thank you very much and God bless us.